it's not like a service, but it's more like a family member helping us to go through all these things. So my name is Zainuddin bin Anang. Actually, from previous experience, so I feel it's important for us to make sure that whoever take over once we pass away, we don't give them a lot of issues, a lot of problems. I think it started off from my wife when she bought Afiq's book. Then I think from there, yeah, we learned a lot of things. And then I think the session with Afiq was very good. So we felt that this is something we want to do. So I think, yeah, this is something I felt that, age doesn't mean anything. So it's better to do earlier than you wait until, in a stage where it's too late already. I think we felt that Afiq was very honest. And then I think with Rizwan also, when we had that session with you, yeah, you were very accommodating. Then I think, yeah, you make us feel like this is something, it's not like a service, but it's more like a family member helping us to go through all these things. Yeah. Very good. I think it's very clear what we are supposed to do. The information needs to be there, right? I think when we talked with Rizwan that time, yeah, they were like, we were asking for, 10-year past year questions, those kind of thing. But yeah, he helped us through all these things. And I think some of the things that we wrote into our will were maybe used by others, but yeah, it meant to us. We decided to use the same. I think the concern was more on clarity. So basically, if you are clear on a lot of things, the explanation was very clear. So I think, yeah, we didn't have any doubts about this. Oh, so much, Alhamdulillah. I think what we felt was this is something we really wanted to do because, sometimes we do not know when we are going away, right? So for good. So I think it's best for us to prepare, and we want our children to have proper backup plans. So I think from what we are doing now is we are assuring them that, if anything happened to us, there is something that they will continue to survive. Definitely. I think Rizwan, Afiq, I think you did a very good job. Not just introduce, but make us feel that this is something that we need or everyone needs, right? I think in the context of the Wasiat itself, I think it is important for everyone to be able to set their own. And I think the team did well. So yeah, I would of course refer to all my friends if I can. Yeah, I'll extend this invitation to them to write their own Wasiat through you.